Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Is he okay?
This truck was struck by lightning. Nobody was hurt thanks to the metal of the truck dispersing the electricity.
Why are you in a wheelchair when I saw you get out of your car and walk?
Can you help me?
This person walked out of their vehicle and assembled that wheelchair.
I have nerve damage in one leg, sir. I can walk.
Fair enough.
After they give birth, there's a condition some women can have that can turn their legs into Play-Doh. It's basically just extreme swelling in the legs. This is a professional, please do not attempt. This woman was visiting Asia and noticed that all the plus-size clothing stores have very direct names. It took a while for this horse to realize that he actually wasn't wearing a harness. This guy that looks exactly like Ed Sheeran loves to go to Ed Sheeran concerts.
I'm nervous. We're literally outside it. Oh my god.
Paris has recently been going through some protests and riots, but people for the most part are unbothered. This dad came home and caught the prank his kid set up for him, so his wife told him to come back and pretend he didn't see it.
Guys! Tom's here! He's gonna open the door!
She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.